Advances in Systems Analysis of Artificial Intelligence by M.S. S.L. Namke. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior. Artificial intelligence, AI, constitutes an amorphous phenomenon. There are many different conceptions, subconcepts, and hypotheses offered. Technologies are praised, but the final results remain unclear. It appears to be an industry in its infancy, with the life cycle itself enveloped in a future mystique. This article focuses on methods for enclosing this idea within a systems framework. The article resorts to qualitative analysis. An AI system construct is the ultimate objective of the analysis. It advances a systems theory framework as the boundary for an AI structure where all things would fall into place. The article suggests a framework where an artificial intelligence system has inputs, transformation processes, and output. A feedback loop as well. AI inputs, transformation, and output elements are all present-day concepts referred to in current literature but not related to each other within a systems structure. The article concludes with a system construct for artificial intelligence. It further applies this system construct to a contemporary management issue, that is, strategic thinking. It relates system outcomes to strategic thinking patterns and modes. It suggests a strategic thinking framework that makes use of the outcomes of AI system flows and translates those into strategic behavior patterns and approaches. The article provides a convenient vehicle for understanding the components of artificial intelligence and their flow. Also, the relationship between AI system outcomes and strategic thinking. It could be useful in understanding AI applications and their situational relevance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.